For an I-cord tab cast on, I'm going to start by casting on 3 stitches. You can use any method you like for this, I'm just going to use the long tail cast on. Now we're going to knit across these 3 stitches. And then slip them back onto the left needle. Do this as many times as your pattern says, so I'm going to do this twice more. Then I'm just going to knit across these stitches one more time, but without slipping them back. Now I'm going to pick up and knit 3 stitches along this edge. So I'm going to just turn my work, and then you can see where my working yarn's coming out of this gap here. Where these 2 strands are, I'm going to go in front of those, and then knit. Can be a little bit fiddly. Now I'm going to do the next one, so looking at that side I'm going to go under these 2 strands and knit, and then the next one's just here, so under those 2 strands and knit. So I now have 6 stitches on my needle. So now I'm going to turn my work, and we're going to pick up and knit 3 stitches along this cast on edge area. So to start with, where we've got the end of this before the corner, I'm going to take this loop on this edge, bring it up to my needle, then I'm going to knit it. And then we're going to go in this direction. So I'm going to take a loop in the middle of this cast on edge, bring that up on my needle, and just knit into it. Now I'm going to come over to this side, at the far edge, and bring this loop up onto my needle and knit into it. It doesn't really matter which 3 loops you pick for this section because it'll all kind of blend away when we start knitting. Just as long as you've got 3, then that'll be fine. Next I'm going to knit 3. And slip the last 3 stitches. And that's the cast on complete. If you have any kind of ridges here, you can tidy that up when you're weaving your ends and just sort of smooth over it.